Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, on this video, I want to present to you my PowerPoint. It's about principle of legality in criminal law. But before that, I want to introduce myself first. My name is Gustavo Zadra. I'm from D class. So, let's restart the material. The first is the definition of principle of legality. The principle of legality is a cornerstone of criminal law, mandating that no individual can be prosecuted under criminal law unless the act they committed was explicitly defined as a crime by existing legislation at the time it was performed. This principle is essential for maintaining the rule of law and protecting individuals from arbitrary prosecution and punishment. It ensures that individuals have clear notice of what behavior is criminal and that they are not subject to retroactive laws. So, in the next is the historical background. The first one is Enlightenment era. The principle of legality has its roots in the Enlightenment era, a period that emphasized individual rights and the limitation of state power. Philosophers like Montesquieu and Beccaria argued that laws should be clear and known to prevent tyranny and ensure fair treatment. The second is Magna Carta, one of the earliest legal documents reflecting the principle of legality is the Magna Carta. It introduced essential protection against unlawful detention and arbitrary punishment, laying the groundwork for the development of modern legal system that respect individual rights. So the third is the Habeas Corpus Act. This act further advance the principle of legality by ensuring that individuals who are arrested are brought before a court promptly. It aimed to prevent unlawful detention without trial, reinforcing the idea that the state must operate within the confines of the law. So, and the last one is U.S. Declaration of Independence. The Declaration of Independence underscored the principle of legality by asserting that no one should be prosecuted except under laws established before the act was committed. This principle was fundamental in shaping that legal system of many democratic countries, ensuring that individuals are not subjected to ex post facto laws. Okay, next is the key function. The first is the protective function. The primary function of the principle of legality is to protect individuals from the misuse of power by the state. It ensuring that laws are applied fairly and consistently, providing a safeguard against arbitrary and capricious prosecution by requiring that laws be clear and previously established. It protects individuals from being unfairly targeted or punished for actions that were not defined as criminal at the time they were committed. The second is instrumental function. Beyond protection, the principle of legality serves an instrumental function by justifying the enforcement of criminal law within the boundaries set by legislation. It mandates that the criminal justice system operates within a framework of defined laws, ensuring that enforcement is predictable, rational, and just. This function helps maintain public confidence in the legal system as it assures individuals that the state will not overreach its authority. And the next is the main component. In the main component, There is the nullum crimen sine lege, translated as no crime without a prior law. This component asserts that an individual cannot be charged with a crime unless it was legally defined as such at the time of the act. This principle ensures that individuals are not criminally liable from actions that were not prohibited by law when performed. The sec means nulla puna sine lege, meaning no punishment without a prior crime. This component states that no one can be punished unless there was a pre-existing law that prescribed the penalty for the conduct in question. This ensures that penalties are not imposed arbitrarily and that there is a clear legal basis for any punishment administered. The last one is the prohibition of retroactive laws. This principle prohibits the enactment of laws that apply retroactively to criminalize actions that were not illegal at the time they were committed. It ensures under new law for past actions, preserving the integrity and predictability of the legal system. Okay, next, there is application in Indonesia. The first one on the first article, point 1 of the Criminal Code in Indonesia, the principle of legality is enshrined in article of the Criminal Code, which state that no act can be punished unless it was prohibited by law before it was committed. This provision aligns with the global understanding of the principle of legality, ensuring that individuals in Indonesia are only held accountable for actions that were clearly defined as a crime at the time that they were committed. Next is the exceptions on the first article, but point 2 provides an exception to the principle of legality, allowing retroactive application of laws if the new law is more favorable to the accused. This exception ensures that individuals benefit from more lenient laws enacted after the commission of the act, promoting fairness and justice within the legal system. Okay, next is the implication. The first one in the implication is legal certainty. The principle of legality demands that laws be clear, precise, and accessible, allowing individuals to understand what constitutes a criminal offense. This legal certainty is crucial for ensuring that individuals can regulate their behavior accordingly and avoid inadvertent criminal conduct. The second is judicial independence on legislation. The principle reinforces that judges must base their decisions strictly and on existing laws. Judicial decisions should reflect the intent of the legislature and not be influenced by personal basis or interpretation beyond the law. This depend on legislation ensures consistency and fairness in judicial proceedings. The last one is protecting of human rights by preventing arbitrary and retroactive prosecution. The principle of legality plays a vital role in protecting human rights. It ensures that individuals are not subjected to unfair legal processes and that their right to fair treatment, due processes, and protection from ex post facto laws are upheld. Okay, guys, from that all material, uh, I've got the conclusion is the first one is fundamental role. The principle of legality is fundamental to a criminal justice system, balancing the need for legal enforcement with the protection of individual rights and freedoms. It upholds the rule of law by ensuring the criminal laws are clear, known, and applied consistently. And the last one is the ensures justice by clearly defining criminal act and prohibiting retroactive laws. The principle of legality ensures justice and fairness. It protect individuals from arbitrary state action and maintains public confidence in the legal system by ensuring that laws are enforced within established boundaries. This principle is essential for the functioning of a fair and just society, where individuals are protected by arbitrary prosecution and punishment. I think that's all from my explanation from my PowerPoint, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.